Yeah, this is exactly how a burger should look like. Hello guys, how you doing? My name is Chioma and you are welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a tasty burger right from the comfort of your home. It's very simple. So you add the mayonnaise and use the jam, the onions, the lettuce, the cucumber, and of course the burger cheese with the burger beef and the burger bread with the tomatoes, and then you start to slice your tomatoes and the cucumber and the onions, and then give them a little stir and fry them a little bit, like a little bit. um don't cook it, just fry it a little bit, and then you cook your burger beef, and then you mix your paste. These are your paste, the jam with the mayonnaise. You mix the paste. Cooking is very, very interesting, really. Okay, so you mix the paste to smooth, very smooth, and then you cut your bread. That is the burger bread. You cut it open, not completely open, like a little bit, yes. And then you apply the paste you've made. You apply your paste, and then, yeah, looking yummy already. And then you put your lettuce on top. You decorate with your lettuce, and then start to add all your toppings, which are your tomatoes, which are slightly fried. You use it to decorate it, put it in the appropriate position, so that when it's being eaten, the eater can get the benefits of all the goodies inside. You understand, right? And then you add the onions. Okay, yeah, it's looking good already. And of course, your burger beef, and then yeah, there's burger beef inside already. I've added it. The camera didn't capture it. And then you put it in the oven for like a minute, just for 1 minute or 30 seconds. I think it's for 30 seconds. And then just allow the cheese to marinate, to melt a little bit. And your burger is looking good and set to eat. Oh my god, deliciously looking. This is guys, if you had a taste of this, oh my goodness. I'm not bragging. I'm not bragging, really, but it tasted really, really good. I don't want to say but this tasted really great. Telling you, one of the best. I don't know. It's nothing special. Very simple meal, but yeah. So see you in my next video.